Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we're doing a test. We're thinking about doing a test solo series for Saturday. You already got series 1. Let's check out number 2. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a watch face that's worthy of being in your collection. It's by Nucleon. The name of the watch face is called Graviton, and Graviton looks awesome. Now, in always on mode, you have two different looks for the Gears 2 and then the Gears 3 and the Gears Sport. They both look good in this mode, but when the watch face is on, it looks even better. I like the layout, I like the theme and the look of this watch face. Definitely it is different. So let's talk about it. Up at the top you're going to get a moon phase. You also going to get the background of the sky. I thought that was stepping outside of the box. Very nice look. And then you get what day it is also. As we see it's Saturday, it's going to be lit up in red. Then you get info on your exercising, whether it's your steps, floors climb, your heart rate, and then over here you're going to get the month and the date. Now as we come down to the bottom, you're going to get info on your steps, and you can tap into it. It is inactive, so you can get more information on your step status, things of that nature. Then you get info on your battery, so a little battery meter here, and for your steps completed. My day has just got started. Let's see how the rest of this day go. And I like that they put the icons in there. Now the most important ones for me, it seemed like he made this watch face for me because I always want to make a phone call. I want to check my text messages, and right here I could go into the weather by a single tap. And I like the way that blends into the bezel, the index of the bezel. It looks very nice. I like the layout of this. I'm telling you, Nucleon did a great job on this watch face. Now, also, you get the best of both worlds. It is an analog watch, but at the bottom, you're going to also get a digital time. I like the way he laid that out at the bottom. Still, it is legible, although it is a little small. Not bad at all. Then, I could change the theme of the watch. Look at the background. I'm going to double tap, and you can change it to whatever color you want. He gives you a few in all. I like this one. This one looks awesome. But you choose the one you like, or the one you want to set for that day with whatever you want. Or if it's just your favorite color, just set it to your favorite color. And that's going to be it, you all. I really hope you all enjoyed this watch face review. If you did, please make sure you share this with others. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell on the way out so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. Alright, you all, enjoy your weekend. Have fun, be safe, and party like it's 1999. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.